Hey guys, welcome back to Quality Graphics Design channel. It's great having you here. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can mask image into Pixellab shape without the use of masking tool. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, don't forget to smash on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing video. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So like I said earlier, I'll be teaching you guys how you can mask image into Pixellab shapes without the use of masking tool. So I'll be selecting the shape I want to use. So once I select the shape like this, the shape I want to use, so I will be turning this around into the format I want to use. So the next thing I will be doing now is that this image, you must make sure it is placed at the center of the screen. You place this at the center. So after that, the next thing you will be doing is that you will import the image you want to use. You will import it from your gallery. So I will be importing the image I want to image tool is placed at the center on top of the shape. You place the image, you place it at the center too. So the next thing I'll be doing now is that I'll be copying the shape, the previous shape I created, which is placed under the image. You copy the shape, you copy it and place it on top. You place it on top. So after that, the next thing you will be doing now is that you will be creating another shape in form of a rectangular shape. You create another shape to cover this body. This body, you place it here. Let me change the color. So you place it there and you open this, you bring it below here. So after that, you take the rectangular shape, you drag it below, you put it below the two shapes and the image. So after that, you will be merging this orange rectangular shape. You will merge it together with the shape on top. So you merge this together. After merging that together, you go to erase color to erase this this shape or place on top of the image. So you enable this and use a color selector to select this blue image. This blue shape will place on the image. So you click this. As you can see, the image on top has been removed. So you go back to this place and merge these three, the image and the shapes. You merge the three together. Then you click on OK to merge that together. Then you go back to erase color to erase this orange color. You click on your color selector and place it here and you erase the orange color. As you can see, we've successfully merged the image into the shape without the use of our masking tool. So this also applies to all other shape. Is either you are using a rectangular shape, a square shape, a circle shape. You can use this method on any other shape. It applies to any other shape. So this is how you can mask your image into Pixellab shape without the use of masking tool. Thanks for watching.